Oh, cool. Look at this. Old bullet nose Studebaker. She's pretty far gone though. I'm Ben.
And this is Matt.
And you're watching Rust Bucket Revivals. Check out this old International.
It's pretty.
Oh yeah.
Got the old
Late
mirrors.
60s, early 70s.
No.
I do not have my camera girl today, so I'm being my own cameraman.
Yeah. Ooh. Let's see here. We got you think it's safe to sit in?
I don't know.
Oh, there's glass. Let's see here. We have a this might be a 4-speed.
So many weeds back in here.
Oh, there we go. It's a 3-speed.
So Matt, are you buying a new truck?
I mean, not exactly. But no, we have here a 3-speed 4-wheel drive. I believe, right?
Yeah, I think
You can
so.
see the transfer case back
Yep.
there. Oh, hold on. Let's see if the windows work. Nope. Something broke.
Hey, it came up a little bit. Maybe that's as far down as they go. Maybe try the other way.
No, that's not it.
Well, they're stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck. Darn. I'm sad.
Yeah. There's a field of old iron over in here.
Right here, hold on. This is... So, in order to actually shut this, you actually gotta slam it.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, see, look, even the body lines line up.
Yeah. This is
Perfect.
This is a pretty nice, actually, little rig here.
It's not bad. Although it's been shot.
Think of all the dates you can haul home with this rig.
I can only imagine.
There's another old International over here. Looks like.
Yeah, I don't know. It's an automatic, I think.
And we might be getting back there today. If we do, there is a old Dart back there. Dodge Dart.
Oh wait, no, it's an automatic.
No, this is a looks like a Chevy. Maybe. No, I don't know what it says on the valve cover, what it is. Yeah, it's an International. But the motor, for the minute, the valve cover, I thought looked like it said Chevy. It's like, what? This doesn't look like a Chevy. It confused me for 1 minute.
Oh wait, no, dude, it's a Dodge.
No, it's
Look,
not.
I'm over here. It's a Dodge.
Yes, it's a Dodge.
Yep. Let's
The
see.
1 year that Dodge and International teamed up and put a Chevy motor in it.
Oh, well, that would explain why. Well, that's pretty nice, dude.
I think it's an International motor.
Yeah.
Because this is an International
It
truck.
looks pretty similar to the one in that one.
Yeah. So I was like,
In
this
fact,
is an
they're actually around the same generation.
I was like, this is an International, but I was like, wait, the valve cover looks like it says Chevy, but
You got a heater block
I
in
can't
here.
tell what it says. Oh yeah.
So for a lot of people that don't know about a lot of this stuff is a lot of the vehicles that were up in the northern part of the United States, you know, we get a lot of colder weather, and so it makes it really hard to start up in the morning, especially back in the day.
Yeah, especially with carburetors, so they'd have
especially
block
with older
heaters.
vehicles. So even my little tiny Malibu had one.
Damn, really?
Yes, it was quite impressive actually.
Yeah.
But what they do a lot of times is, especially if it's outside,
Yeah.
you would plug this in and keep it nice and warm, at least the block nice and warm, so it's a little easier to start up in the morning.
Well, I know most diesels have block warmers.
All of them should.
Yeah.
But that's for a lot of people that don't know about that. For those of you that already understood that, props to you.
Yep.
Let's see, is the carburetor unstuck?
Looks like the choke works.
Choke is working, but throttle
Looks like it's stuck. Look at this old piece of iron right next to it.
Yeah. Let's see. I think there's a motor still on it.
This here is a late 40s, early 50s Ford truck right here.
Looks about right. There was I think that's an International right there.
It might be. I think it might be an old Chevy. Looks like.
Yeah.
I can't tell. Here's a four-door
Really
Plymouth.
hard to tell exactly because
Yeah.
a lot of them look very similar.
Yeah, the older they get, the more similar they get. And a lot of them, they're missing parts and stuff. You can't really tell unless you're like an expert on that particular vehicle. You've worked on those
Yeah.
vehicles, you know the fine little details.
But yeah, no. Well, I would say let's continue back further.
Yep.
See what else we can find. I know there was a couple cars. You know what? I think I may have saw a Beetle.
And I know there's a Dodge Dart clear in the back that we've got to check out.
Military truck you're talking about?
Yeah, this is a Dodge military truck.
There's a couple Fox bodies.
Yep.
Actually, that might be kind of fun to look at. Ooh, dude, there's a convertible Mustang.
Where at? Oh. Okay, yeah, I see it. I'm gonna check out the military truck. I've seen it here a few times. This is our local junkyard here. And yeah, it's trees falling on it. Poor old thing.